and look at that, immaculate in green.
Oh, I can't believe it. I still can't believe it, you know. You can't believe it. Things like this don't happen to me, but obviously, ooh, shivering, mate. Oh, sounds lovely.
There you go. This is yours.
Yeah, it's lovely. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I am happy. Trust me, I'm shaking. Obviously, I work on the bins. I've been there 3 years now. And I said to my mate at work, I said, I've got to have a couple of tickets on that, and I thought I couldn't wait. You know, but I didn't think I was going to win it, but so I'm glad I did do the tickets.
So, what was the reaction of your family and friends when you told them the news?
They all said, "Good on you, really." Do you know what I mean? Because I've had a bit of a tough old time lately. You know, with money situations and things like that, and this is just, I can't believe it.
How much do you think this vehicle is actually worth?
I've got insurance, obviously I've got insurance on it on Thursday. They wanted me to insure it for over 21,000.
21,000. Charlotte, how much is this Escort N registration Mexico Escort worth?
Well, we have had it estimated at about 40 to 50,000 pounds.
40 to 50,000 pounds.
Oh God, I can't believe it. That's way more than what I thought. Honestly, I thought, oh.
What is it that draws people to the competition?
I think with classics, yeah, it's different to winning a new car. With classics, you've got the nostalgia behind the car. Everyone's got a story, and what's great to hear from the people that play the competitions is that usually they've got an amazing story behind why they've entered that competition. You know, my dad used to have one of those, or I learned to drive in that car, and that's why it's it's extra special when it's a classic. So we've just done the reveal. You actually, I noticed you got a bit emotional.
Yeah, I did, yeah. I knew I would. It's unbelievable. It's actually better than the picture show. Really
Looks better in the flesh.
Yeah, it does, yeah. It's a beautiful car.
I also noticed that as we were here filming and taking photos and everything, a bin lorry went past. So tell us a bit more about why that's relevant. Bin lorry went past and they were bibbing their horns and waving at us.
Well, they all know when this is getting delivered. Obviously, I work on the bins. I've been there 3 years now, so obviously I work in Ufford, so I'm not far from Pet Street, where you are. And so obviously they all knew it was going to be here today. They want me to bring it into work and that, but there's no way am I going to be bringing it into work this year. I've got to look after it.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, what a morning we've had here with Chris O'Neill, winner of our Ford Escort Mexico recreation. Oh, what a humble guy. He is, he's been welling up, getting really emotional about the reveal of his car, and it's just been such a delight to see. So we're all feeling really choked up here at Bridge. And if you want to be in Chris's position in just a few short weeks, it could be you that wins our next classic car. So head to the website, Bridge Classic Cars Competitions, and you could be our next winner.